Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see Argo CD architecture. So here at the high level, Argo CD runs inside your Kubernetes cluster. Okay, so the Argo CD, we have to configure it inside this is our Kubernetes cluster. So inside this cluster, Argo CD will be running, and it will continuously monitor the Git repository. Okay, so this Argo CD will be running inside the Kubernetes cluster, and the GitOps controller will be continuously monitoring the Git repository. Okay, so this is the single source of truth. So Git is the single source of truth, and it has a few component. Okay, so in the Argo CD there will be microservices running API. This is one of the microservice, and there will be a repository server, and there will be application controller. Okay, there will be application controller running inside the Argo CD. So this is the Argo CD plan cluster, and here the API server. So this is responsible for the user to access the Argo CD using the UI or CLI. So they can access it using the UI or the CLI that is controlled by the API server. And there is a repository server. So this repository server, it pulls the manifest or the Helm charts from the repository. So this will monitor the Git repository, and this will pull the changes from the Git repository, and it will also continuously monitor if there are any changes inside this Git repository, because this is the single source of truth. And also there is a application controller. Okay, this will monitor the cluster. So we have the Kubernetes cluster, right? So this application controller continuously monitor the our Kubernetes cluster, so that it will compare the changes, and if there are, let's say, if someone is made any changes locally on this Kubernetes cluster, and which is not the desired state in the Git. So what this Argo CD controller does, it will continuously monitor the state, and then if it finds any changes, then it will be overwritten from the Git. Whatever in Git is there, that state will be the desired state that will be applied to this Kubernetes cluster. Okay, and we can also use a multiple cluster. For example, cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3. We can use the Argo CD for multiple cluster. Let's say we have the development environment, and we have the staging, which is the pre-production, and we have the production environment. So for all these different environment and multiple cluster, we can use this Argo CD. Okay, so in the Argo CD architecture, so there will be a application controller, and second one is the repository server. Okay, and third one is the API server. Okay, so the application controller, this monitor the changes in the Kubernetes cluster, and repository server, this contact the Git for any changes, and API server is responsible for the access through the UI or CLI. So overall, Argo CD follows the pull-based model where the cluster itself is responsible for fetching and applying the changes and making it more secure and reliable. Okay, so that's all in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.